Diet and exercise are the first two things that most individuals consider when they wish to lose weight. The majority of them are unaware that discipline is just as vital as food and exercise. Discipline will guarantee that you consume the proper foods. Even if your stomach is growling and demanding food at night, discipline will keep you on a calorie deficit. Discipline will keep you from skipping workouts and will ensure that when you do train, you give it your all. Weight loss is a mental, not physical endeavor. It's all about sticking to your plan and completing what you've started. It's a long and winding road. There's no doubt about that. You could be overweight and having trouble losing weight, or you could be in good shape and attempting to lose the final piece of stubborn fat so you can see your six-pack. It takes time to burn fat, whatever the case may be. That is why it is referred to as a weight loss journey. Even if it appears to take a long time, you must have the discipline to stay focused and go through the motions. The most difficult obstacle to overcome is usually the time it takes to see results. It's the one stumbling block for most people who want instant results. They fail to recognize that it is a slow process that will not be sped up by quitting. Don't quit now if you don't want to start again later. It makes no difference how slowly you travel as long as you keep moving. Maintain a realistic nutrition plan for yourself, one that is tough but not excruciating. You must adhere to a nutrition plan. Don't try to make it up as you go along. All you have to do is stick to your strategy after you've made one. You'll keep moving forward without being sidetracked. The same may be said for your workout routine. Plan your workouts at least 2 or 3 weeks in advance and train on time. Don't skip workouts just because you don't feel like it. Simply set aside 10 minutes and get started. Most of the time, once you get started, you'll finish the workout, even if it's only 30 minutes long. If you don't have the willpower to resist temptation, you'll have to forego today's workout. Once that occurs, it will be much easier to miss exercising the following day and after that. The next thing you know, it's been 6 months since you last worked out, and it's all started with that one workout you skipped. Discipline is defined as doing what you need to do even when you don't want to. You will always have days when you do not want to do what you need to do. In fact, this will be the rule in most cases. It's the brain's way of ensuring its survival. It considers challenging work to be disagreeable and makes reasons to keep you in your comfort zone. You will be stronger than your excuses if you practice discipline. You know what you need to do to go to your destination, and you'll do it. This is what distinguishes winners from losers. Winners accomplish what no one else will in order to obtain what no one else can. People who are disciplined are the ones that succeed. Practice discipline on a regular basis if you desire a body that you can be proud of. It's your closest companion. It's not only about how much weight you drop, it's also about how much confidence and inner power you build. Believe in yourself and recognize that you are your own worst enemy. To change your body, practice discipline. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and tap the notification bell so you'll know when we publish new videos. We'll see you next time.